Classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Classy, bougie,
Nice. Nailed it. Post that later.
Hey there, Lady Jane.
Hey, sup fam?
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling refreshed. I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling like awesome.
Okay.
I'm like the best version of myself right now.
Well, that's good. You know, there's a lot at stake. We're part of Team Static now, and
Hey, shout out to Static. Hey, Static.
but the upcoming free preview, Gang Warfare, is coming up fast, and we have to make sure that we are at 110%. Otherwise, we might be a detriment to the entire team.
You don't have to worry. We're not going to be a detriment. I've been doing my meditations. I've been doing my ab workouts from TikTok. I've been working on my scythe wielding. Like, we're going to be great. We're going to be top notch.
Well, I hope so. But if you'll humor me, I've been watching a lot of Get Out recently.
Oh, that's such a good movie. That has Marnie from Girls.
And if you wouldn't mind, I'm just going to try something. Just a note, I am not a licensed therapist. I have my degree in the janitorial arts.
And that's awesome.
How does this make you feel? What does that sound like to you? How does it make you feel?
Like, kind of annoyed because it's really scratchy and I don't like that. Ugh, it's jarring.
It's working! Lady Jane! Where are you?
Upchuck! Upchuck, my friend! It's so dark. I'm in here. I'm so scared, Upchuck. You must help me.
How can I help you?
There's a remedy. Upchuck, my mother had a remedy in case anyone in the family had a coffee dependency. You must restore me. You must have me drink the remedy.
Where can I find the remedy?
It's in the mansion somewhere. You must hurry, Upchuck. I'm so frightened,
Okay,
Upchuck.
I'll leave right now.
Ow.
Lady Jane?
Ow. What happened? Ow. Horrible headache now. Ew. More caffeine. That'll help.
Just stay right here. I'm gonna call your butler, Bartholomew, right?
Yeah, Bartholomew.
Yeah, I'll make everything right.
Okay.
Don't worry. I'll be back.
Okay. Don't start brunch without me.